I was going through old photos one evening, just scrolling, nothing special, and then I stopped. There was a picture of me at a work event, standing with colleagues. Everyone looked relaxed, comfortable, like they belonged there, but I was collapsed. Shoulders rolled forward, chest caved in, head slightly down, like I was trying to take up as little space as possible. And the worst part was not how I looked. The worst part was that I had absolutely no idea. None. In my head, I thought I was just standing there normally, like everyone else. That photograph changed something for me, because what I saw in it was not just bad posture. I saw a person who looked like they were apologizing for being in the room, broadcasting something to everyone around them, without ever opening their mouth. And if I could see it that clearly in a photo, everyone else had been seeing it in real life. Every single interaction, every first impression, every conversation I thought had gone well. Here is the science that hit me hardest when I started researching this. Princeton researchers showed participants photographs for less than 100 milliseconds, less than a single blink. And those participants accurately judged confidence, dominance, and social status from posture alone, before the face was even fully processed by the brain. Let that settle for a moment. Your brain reads body posture before it reads the face, before it processes the voice, before a single word is spoken. The judgment is already forming in the first fraction of a second you appear in someone's field of vision. This is called postural dominance signaling, and it is happening in every room you walk into, every meeting, every social interaction, every first impression you have ever made. Now here is what collapsed posture is actually communicating. Psychologists call it submissive signaling. When your shoulders roll forward, your chest caves, your chin drops. Your body is broadcasting a very specific message to every brain in the room. The message: I am not a threat. I am not important. You do not need to take me seriously. People believe it, not consciously. Their brains simply read the signal, process it automatically, and file you into a category before you have said a single word, before you have smiled, before you have made eye contact. The signal arrives first. Everything else comes after. There is one more layer to this that most people never hear about. Harvard researcher Amy Cuddy found that posture does not only affect how others perceive you, it changes your own internal chemistry. Collapsed posture raises cortisol, the primary stress hormone, and it measurably lowers testosterone. What this means in practice: you walk into a room already chemically programmed to feel less confident, less assertive, less present, which directly affects how you speak, how you hold eye contact, how you respond under pressure. Your posture is not just a signal to others, it is a signal to yourself, and your body believes it. It is a loop that begins before you open your mouth, and most people never realize it is running. Here are 3 adjustments you can make today. No gym required, no equipment. First, the shoulder reset. Most people with collapsed posture are not physically weak. They are simply habituated to a forward position. Roll your shoulders back and then drop them down. Not up toward the ears, down. Hold for 5 seconds. Attach this to a daily trigger. Every door you walk through, every time you sit down. After 2 weeks of consistent repetition, this becomes your resting default position. Second, chin parallel to the floor. Not tilted up, not dropped down, parallel. This single adjustment changes how your entire face reads to other people. It opens the throat, naturally projects the voice, and creates the visual impression of calm authority. Practice this in every mirror or reflective surface you pass. 3 seconds. Costs nothing. Third, the 3-second reset. Before any significant social interaction, walking into a meeting, starting a conversation, entering a room, Pause for exactly 3 seconds. Feet shoulder width apart. Shoulders back and down. Chin level. Breathe. That is the entire protocol. You are resetting the signal before the interaction begins. I went back and looked at photos from 6 months after I started doing these 3 things. Different person standing there. Not someone performing confidence, not someone trying to look a certain way, just someone who looked like they actually belonged in the room they were standing in. That is what posture is, not aesthetics. A signal you are broadcasting constantly, and one you are completely in control of. Start these 3 things today. In 30 days, come back, come, and comment, posture reset, below. I read every single one. If this shifted something for you, hit like and subscribe to Attract Psych. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Your signal starts now.